This is the Max2. It's a really nice health and fitness watch. Lots of controls, including a bright white flashlight on this one. You've got panels for your step count, distance traveled, and calories burned. Heart rate taken continuously and transferred to the app. You have blood pressure readings you can initiate. A start as soon as you land on this page. Blood oxygen does the same thing, and it measures using red diode technology. You also have last night's sleep information and weather in Fahrenheit or centigrade pushed to you from your phone when you're tethered over there. From the watch face, you can come up and get notifications pushed from your phone, and on this side you have your overall training capabilities, which you also get to by pushing the bottom button. No GPS on this one, but you can do a variety of different activities as well in here. You've got all of the panels we just saw, your step count, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, weather, and a few more things, messages. You have music. A music player that will play the music on your phone, find your phone, a basic stopwatch that you can reset and run. You've got a countdown timer and overall settings. It's a really well-designed leather band on the outside, rubberized on the underneath side, flexible and removable, thin watch, 2 buttons, really a nice watch. It's called the Max2. Check it out.